Welcome to Plus Cafe. To get started with C++ programming, we need an IDE, and the IDE we are using for the purpose of this tutorial is DevC++. How do we get DevC++? Get to your browser, and in the address bar, type bloodshed.net, then hit enter. It will take you to this web page. DevC++ is an open source C or C++ IDE for Windows. Just scroll down and click on download original DevC++ 5. It takes you to forceforge.net website, from where your DevC++ will be downloaded for you to install. So my download is almost complete. Wow, I have DevC++ file downloaded. Let me show in folder. So here's my setup file I just downloaded. Just double click it. I'll hit OK. I'll set my language to English. Hit OK. Make sure you read all what's written here. Take your time and read them. After reading, you agree. Select next, then install. So do you want to install DevC++ for all users? Yes. So I'm going to run DevC++. Finish. I'll hit OK. Click on next. Click on next. Next. Click OK.